Welcome to a journey of wellness and mindful living. In this video, we'll explore how to make informed, safe decisions about the ingredients we use in our everyday lives. Whether you're here to learn, create, or simply understand more about essential oils and natural alternatives, you're in the right place. Let's take a moment to acknowledge the importance of self-care and safety in our wellness practices. A thoughtful approach not only enhances the benefits we receive, but also protects our health and well-being. So grab a notebook, a cup of tea, or just a moment of quiet. Together we'll uncover the essentials for living well naturally. Now let's dive in, but first, an important disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. As a nurse, I am sharing general wellness information and not providing medical advice. Consult with your healthcare provider for any health concerns. As an aromatherapist, I am providing information about the use of essential oils. Consult with a qualified aromatherapist before using essential oils, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have any health concerns, conditions, or are new to essential oils. Essential oils should be diluted appropriately before topical application. Perform a patch test before using any new product. Hey, beautiful souls. It's Jenice Story, founder of AJ's EO Infusions, where we keep wellness simple, sweet, and totally essential. Today, we're talking about one big question that's buzzing around my inbox. Can I use rubbing alcohol in my essential oil spray? If you've ever tried a DIY spray and felt stuck, this video is for you. And guess what? You don't need a science degree to get it right. Now, let's dive into why these ingredients are essential in DIY recipes. Each one, alcohol, witch hazel, and vodka, has its own unique role to play. Alcohol, it's the multitasker. It acts as a preservative and helps essential oils blend seamlessly with water. That's a win for stability and effectiveness. Witch hazel, think of it as the gentle healer. It's a natural astringent, which makes it perfect for skin applications. Plus, it brings soothing and calming vibes to your sprays. And vodka? Well, vodka is like the fast friend you can count on. It's a great solvent and evaporates quickly, which makes it ideal for room sprays and fresheners. These ingredients are the secret sauce to making your DIY creations not only effective, but also safe and long-lasting. So the next time you're mixing up a spray, you'll know exactly why each ingredient deserves its spot in the bottle. Let's keep it real simple. Okay, picture this. You found a cute DIY spray recipe on Pinterest. It says witch hazel, but you only have rubbing alcohol. Do you grab it? Do you wait? Do you just throw peppermint in water and hope for the best? Let's break it down like 1, 2, 3. Witch hazel equals skin's BFF. It's soft, it's calming. Perfect for face sprays, body mists, or bedtime lavender sprays. Vodka equals your fresh air queen. It's clean and quick drying. Great for room sprays, car fresheners, and even closet scents. Rubbing alcohol equals the hard worker, but with rules. Strong, yes. Harsh, also yes. You can use it, but only for things like doorknobs, yoga mats, or maybe your shoes after the gym, not your cheeks or your pillow. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Why does this matter? Because when you spray something on your skin, you're not just misting, you're feeding your body And girl, your skin deserves better than random chemicals, right? It's why we only use essential oil blends that are skin safe, calming, and totally natural. Like lavender, peppermint, and frankincense, all chosen with care to help you feel soft, clean, and relaxed. It's giving glow up energy minus the toxins. Okay, but what if I only have rubbing alcohol? I get it. Sometimes it's late and Target is closed. If you're making a room spray or cleaning mist, rubbing alcohol can work. But if it's going anywhere near your lips, face, neck, or kids, skip it. Apple would say, it just works. Kylie would say, it's giving clean girl magic. We say it's infused with love. What happens if you use the wrong one? You might notice dry skin, burning, red spots, or just weird smells that don't match your mood. We want wellness that feels good now and 10 years from now, too. That's the AJ's EO Infusions way. So, what should you do instead? Step 1, choose your purpose, skin, room, surfaces. Step 2, pick the right base. Skin equals witch hazel, alcohol-free is best. Room equals vodka, surfaces equal rubbing alcohol. Step 3, add 10 to 20 drops of AJ's EO Infusions oil blends. Shake, spray, smile. Simple, right? What's coming next? If you love this kind of real, simple wellness talk, don't miss our Wellness Wednesday podcast, where we go deeper into this topic: how to mix oils like a pro, avoid the most common DIY fails, and why essential oils can totally upgrade your everyday vibe. Tap the link below, hit subscribe, and follow us, AJ's EO Infusions, on all platforms. Stay radiant, stay real, and remember, you don't have to be perfect to be powerful, just infused.